let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet and we're already out. We also trade offline and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Yes, let's get to the charts. 15-minute. Let's see what we're doing on the 15-minute chart. We have traded above the Asian session, and we're currently trading only 5 points above VWAP. Oh no, that's not VWAP. I got confused. That green dashed line is the previous day's high. You know what? I don't have VWAP on this. I think we're also right on VWAP. Let me have VWAP. There we go. Yeah, we're right at VWAP also. So we got the previous day's high, 748. We're trading at 756. Previous day's close at 607. That's the 5 o'clock close. And I'm putting in this line now for the midnight open. The true open. So let me find that. I'll pop that in also. 2345. That would be right there. That is the true open. Hey, good morning, 22 trades. How you doing this early morning for you? Wiping the sleep out of your eyes? I shouldn't laugh. It's got to be tough. It's got to be tough. I know when Patrick Whelan was in, it wasn't Hawaii. Was it Hawaii? I don't know. He was somewhere. And he had to wake up god awful early to trade and to do his stream. I don't remember where it was though. Somewhere tropical. So given that we've only traded above the Asian session, and we are trading above the previous day's high, and we are trading above VWAP, I am bullish, without a doubt. Not this morning. I couldn't sleep, but feeling good today. Wow. I'm the exact opposite. I couldn't sleep. I have a headache, and I'm in a very aggravated mood, which means I have to be very careful because that's the kind of day that you can cause trouble to your account. And I don't want to do that, and I'm aware that that's how I'm feeling. So I'm going to have to play it very close to the vest today. Don't go until... No, I'm aware of it already, so that's the good thing about it. I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to be watching to see if I'm making any mistakes. Okay, so let me see where we are with these ranges here. Oh, look at that. The midnight true open is right at the top of that off-colored beige range, and we did manage to finally trade above it. So you know what? I can think that that's definitely going to act as support. What level is that? The 731. Not a lot. Not much lower. Maybe 30 points lower. Once again, giving me that bullish bias. The daily We're trading above the 50 period EMA. That's the black dashed line. We had a higher high. We had a lower low. It was a crazy wick. Look how fast they pushed it back up. Bullish there as well. Counter strike is going to be trading the Bulenox account. I had it run on the London session. And on the London session, I traded on Sim because I'm forward testing it. For the London session, 2 to 5, it made a big $1.60. Okay, look, not every day can be a winner. I didn't say it was the Holy Grail, did I? So I got to set up my accounts. I'm going to be trading my Apex 300K account on the open. Probably do a 5 lot. Yes, I said it was the Holy Grail. I said I liked it. I said what I think is I think it's going to get my Bulenox account to pass. So it's trading the Bulenox account, but not for the London session, for the US session, 9:30 to 11:55. And that Bulenox account is currently at, let me find it, 51,133. I think this is the second week. So a little slow, but I'm only trading 3 micros. I'm being very, very cautious. And I'll pop up the equity graph. It's doing pretty spectacular. Let me see if I can get that up. We have a little bit of time. Open up the trade performance thing here. So let's do the summary. Yeah, I hear you. You hear me? Perfect. I'll do it in a second. I'll make all the connections in a second. Doing something here. So what screen you have over there? So there you can see I just have the Bulenox account selected. And I got to pick the dates. We started on the 17th. Click generate. Sometimes this thing doesn't work properly for some reason. What's it doing? That's not the right numbers. I know it's not the right numbers. Oh, let's go to analysis. Oh, there we go. It took a really long time to populate. 20. Okay, so 1120 total net profit. It's a little off on these numbers here. Profit factor 2.64. Percent profitable trades on the bottom, 85%. Average winning trade is less than the average losing trade. No, David's not there yet. And if I pop up the graph, let me make it small. So it's on the that's the profit graph since I started from 0. So that's not bad. Not a holy grail, but it's not bad. Okay, let me close that. I got to do some audio settings. Yes, I have 3 people in the room. One of you speak so I know who's who. Just let's say Alex. Perfect, because I got to copy this. So copy solo, copy down. No, no. You're in Video Ninja right now, right? Right? Okay. Now I have to copy the page that you're on into OBS, and OBS will transmit it. And that way you'll
to YouTube?
Yeah, on the stream.
So why don't you just copy paste all of them to YouTube?
Well, you have to do one at a time.
Yeah, I know, but why ask me? Just like, who am I? Just send all links.
No, I'll show you one time how it's working. David, you're there also? Okay, perfect. Copy solo link. Okay, go ahead, guys. I have to cough again. You are both connected. And I got a cough. Sorry about that. Yeah, what we gotta figure out to do is how I can kind of mute my mic a little bit, because so you guys hear a little less of the chatter. For you guys, I gotta play with it. One time when you're here, you're coming back when on Alex on Saturday, Sunday? Yeah. Okay, maybe I'll bug you to do that. It's hard for me to do it on my own, even with two computers side by side. You opened up your trading view? Yeah, so we have, let's go back 3 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 red bars, 1 white, 1 red, and now 1 forming to the upside, maybe? Yeah, I went back 3 bars, three series ago, and moved forward. Okay, backwards. We have a red bar. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Ah, yeah, I'm curious. Well, it's going to form at 70, I can tell you. Yeah. Ah, so it's exact. And that's what I would think, because Top Step X is, that's it, formed. Yep. It's white. No kidding. And now we're trading at 68.
Oh, it's 9:27. It's taking a trade 2 minutes before open.
No, no one took the trade. We were just checking to see if our charts were in sync. Yeah, I'd be losing now, but it hasn't. Oh, that's what you mean. Yeah, yeah. On the bearish signal, yeah, it would have been a losing trade already, officially. Yeah, yours seemed better than mine for some reason. Yeah. Okay, so I gotta get ready. I will be trading the open. There's pros and cons. No, there's pros and cons to that, actually. Anyways, trade cautiously. That's it. Okay, 1 minute and 15 seconds. And we've pushed off VWAP and the previous day's high. We got all these 3 potential supports: VWAP, previous day high, and the midnight open. 7:30, 7:48. Yeah, I'd have to look at it then. It's possible. I was thinking that with TradingView. Yeah, give me a second. Come on, let's get a bar. Oh, there's weird things happening. Still. Well, this long is not going, so I'm going to lighten up. It should have gone a little more aggressively. I would have liked it. Keep pushing higher, keep pushing higher. Yeah.
Target filled.
Target filled. That sounds like Bulenox. Okay, Bulenox is 1 for 1. That was a good open. Happy with that. Now we're going to wait for a bit of a retrace before we take our next trade. I hope it doesn't just skyrocket to the moon without me. Wow, it's going aggressive. Let's see if I can add a little bit more.
God, after you just took a whole bunch of buy side, like that's crazy. That's wild.
Oh, I have a stop. It's one candle stop, so. But I'm out already. It brought me in another 20. Just one formed. Second formed. 22 trades. You looking at anything? You see anything interesting? Or it's still too early? Do you wait for the first 5 or 10 or 15 minutes to pass before you take a trade?
Bro, I'm never gonna be able to trade on this. They're updating on 2 different times. David, can you read me your sell and buy on TradingView, please, on NQ?
21, 8, 12, 25.
Your buy button, what does it say? Read it to me. Like right now I see 14, 1650, 1575, 1850.
1650, 1625, 15, 1650, 1575, 1250, 1525.
I have none of that.
My dog gets excited when the doorbell rings. Believe it or not, it's a Chihuahua.
I even refreshed. I'm off by dollars.
Second 1 minute candle. You played the break of the high of the first 1 minute candle. Okay. Well, I have a white candle formed, Al. I don't know if you have that.
I have, yeah. It doesn't matter, it's too slow.
Yeah.
My charts are not even loading.
Well, it's okay. So far, you haven't missed anything. It's two losers. What's the volatility? We got 21 points for the average range on the 1 minute candles. And the volume, $385,000 at 9:30. That's a little low. The volatility's there, but the volume's a little low. David, just so you know, the gold that needed to be switched over to 0425 or April, the April contract.
Yeah, my data can't be live. My numbers are just switching way too slow, but it shows green though.
Yeah, maybe you're having that 5-second delay. Hit mid gap, perfect.
No, it's just the
838.
Wi-Fi.
Well, now we're coming up into VWAP again. VWAP's a little higher now at 765. It acted as support 1, 2, 3 times easily. Hit perfect mid gap 838.
It's like I'm playing Robo. It's like blocks. It's coming in blocks.
Oh, then just get offline. Go enjoy your Friday.
Yeah.
No, just wait for you.
Well, bro, if you're getting weird fills or whatever, I don't know what.
I won't. I'll be able to get a fill at a correct price. It just can't do rank close.
I don't get that mid gap. Wood chip, can you explain? We kind of gapped open at 21,763 with the previous close at 607. I would have mid gap down here and at the 675 level approximately. The daily. Oh, wait a minute. Still get tired.
Okay, S&T at the top, S&T at the bottom.
David, do you know where the buttons are on TradingView for sell, ask, and buy bid? By chance?
No, I don't even know if they have that. I'm on the top step.
Woodchip says you have to add them from the settings gear. Did you hear, Al?
What?
Woodchip said you have to add them to the settings gear. Jesus, I'm getting raped. And another loser. go to the settings and open up the stream, and you'll see the chat, so I don't have to read it out to you every time he types.
Whatever, for today, it doesn't matter. I tried to take that rank code, but I can't do it. It's too slow, it froze.
Mm.
Well, you just said you're not gonna do it. You're trying to take now?
Try one, yeah. Let's see what it looks like. It's like Legos. Inshallah, I lost like 250.
No, I wouldn't recommend doing it on Wi-Fi anyways.
No, I'm not doing it anymore. Let's see what it looked like.
Mm. I'm long at 9, 12:14:08 is the stop. I got a little more there. Bulenox is in its second trade. Let's put it up. BX26, there it is. Ah, stopped out, that stinks. Eight. We were talking about the gap from Friday to Monday all week, bottom of the gap. Okay, no, I thought once you used it, that's it. You wouldn't use it again. Yeah, no, but I thought we would refer to that as the new week opening gap, actually. Or the week opening gap. It's because you called it a daily gap. It confused me.
Babe, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, I missed an entry. Unfortunately for me.
Yeah, do your assignment.
Okay, we'll take a piece out.
Wow, my computers are lagging.
I don't want to lose on this, so I got out. Not getting follow through on the trades, really.
Yeah, you keep getting SMTs after SMTs.
You look at different time frames, or just
For the 1 minute for now.
1 minute? Yeah.
Every time frame matters though.
For the SMTs, I just look at the 5 minute. I can't really put. No, it's not that. I just can't put up too many charts, you know. Yeah, NQ's. NQ is quite a bit stronger.
Is that Cat's sister? What did she say? What did she say? Oh my god.
Do you not understand English?
Did she say est-ce que ça pue?
Well, the Bulenox account is down $48. And I'm down about 200 on my Apex account. If I click this and I reverse it, 271.
David, you want to
And
do
48.
me and you? I'll be doing my schoolwork at the same time, so just in case you see something.
Okay, go on Discord so I can show you my screen.
Okay, chop.
Ciao, Mike.
All right,
Trade well.
trade well. Let's see if we can break out from the U.S. session highs at 21,838. View up held well there at 937, eh? And I'm missing the one trade that's going without me. Let's go. Let's push through the highs. Come on, give it another little pop. No, sellers come in. We got that bullish fair value gap over there. Let's see, I'll try and add to my trade and hope that it holds. If not, I'll have to bail on this. 9 seconds. Will they close it below or they close it above? It's going to play a bounce off first fair value gap, 930 to 932. That's it for me. Not a good trade again. Ouch. Okay, maybe today is the day to just be more patient. Like I said, I started off my day in a bad mood. Yeah, maybe a bounce off the 800 level. Well, we're still trading above the zone that I've marked off. It's holding nice. Price is holding above, and now our next zone is at the 21,900 on the 909. Okay, right off the top of the fair value gap. Looking good. Now do we break the highs of the U.S. session?
Target filled.
Target filled. That was Counter-Strike. Good trade there, wood chip. Oops. Playing with some settings here. Sorry about that. NQ should go to 907. Yeah, I have that level marked in, the 21,900 level. That's the next place that could drop price. The next higher zone. What's it based off of? Actually, it's going quite far back. This area over here looks like January 23rd, but I'm sure we tapped into it a few more times. Yeah, that's where we saw some aggressive selling in the beginning of January and the end of December, the 21,900 level. Do you get in right at the top all the time, or is it like discretionary? You just decide based on price action? Like in this case here that I marked off the fair value gap, in this case you got in at the top of it. I was actually thinking I was going to join you, but I was going to wait for the 800 level and get in around the middle of it. Because we also had this bearish fair value gap, so I figured we'd just tap into that one a little bit. That's what I was waiting for. I didn't get it, but nice. Move stop to 49, locking in 40. Good job. I love those 40-point winners. Stopped. Well, can't complain with a 40-point winner. Well, I'm still long biased, and I was correct with my analysis in the morning that it was going to be rebuy soon, that it was going to be a strong day. Okay, let's see if I can catch a bit of a move here. Even though I woke up on the wrong side of bed today, they can't all be losers for me, can they? There we go. Got a little bit of a move. Thank you very much. Got in at 80.46, got out at 57, 11 points, and now let's let it run and on the balance and see if I can get let's go. Let's break through the US session highs. I'll get another piece out. Let's go. Nice, nice. Come on. Push it, push it, push it, push it. I'll get out here too on the pop. And I'll hold. The rest for 21,880. And we're going for that 21,900. I'm certain of it. Well, not certain of it, but I'm high probability of it. So at 880 when I have 46, almost 40 points, I will take off a one lot and then I will let the other one try to go to, that's good enough. No, don't get greedy. And I'll let the next one go to 21,900. Discretionary. Just watching the first move was strong. Yes, it was. Nice fair value gap, then chop, but held the area. Yes, it did. I had the same read. Yes, already well into the weekly gap, so NQ should have followed it. Yeah, that's it for me. I'm okay with that. I brought my Apex back to life. Unfortunately for me, I missed the Bulenox trade. Eesh. Next week I got to get to trading larger size on the 300K account. Making $200, $400 on a 300K account is not acceptable, and I got to start maybe using my trade copier as well. I'm a little distracted with the streaming software because I'm still new at this, and audio problems. I didn't even do an audio check today. I'm assuming it's working well because Woodchip is answering me. Yeah, I heard myself. You'll hear an echo. Very good, very good. Wow, it's a nice strong run. That was a good run. Made up for all the losing trades that I took in the morning, in the 9:30 right after the open. Yep, I'm pretty sure I have that level marked in also on the, look at that, we've just blasted right through it. Yeah, you have 22,018. I have a 22,100. Let's see off what level that is. It's from not too long ago, actually. It was from the last time we broke through the 21,900. Broke through 21,900, got to 22,100, came back down to the 21,900, rotated right back up to 22,100. So it's a little higher than 2218. And now we've shown strength. So that is certainly on the table. Now I watch the 15-minute fair value gap that just formed and wait to see if it dips into it. Well, we're trading at the highs of the U.S. session, and a lot of people know about the 10 o'clock reversal, so I can see that happening as well. Actually, that's not what I want to put up. Might buy at 866, right at the top of the 15-minute. Does the 10 o'clock reversal play out? Sellers look like they want to try. Let us mark off the range of the U.S. session. And 50% mark lies nicely at the top of the first 2-minute run, and lies nicely also at how we pulled back right into it at 10 o'clock. So let's see if we can get down to somewhere in that level. I marked it off on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if I can get it to, with the properties to display on all charts, attached to all charts. Okay, so there it should show. There we go. Yep. Yes, I see exactly what you mean. See, that's how I have to do it. It's too bad that David left. I would have liked to have asked him a question about that. C'est la vie. My kids bailed on me. I might get a long triggering very soon, and I do. I wanted 7 points on that first one. That's my 7 points. That's good. And now I'll let it go. No tap yet, top of the breaker. My stop on the remaining piece would be at 82, and I'm long at 89. Yeah, I'm long at the right place. That's good. I'm going to peel off ones every 7 points. So my next one will be at I'll take a piece over here. Next one I'll peel off will be at 21,910. I missed it. I like to at last tap the 15-minute top edge. Yeah, I see. Definitely. It didn't come down far enough, unfortunately. Because I think I would have joined you on that as well. Would I have? Nah. I know myself. I would have liked to have seen it come down to the 840 level. I will not tell a lie. That's where I would have liked to, based on that analysis. Okay, 906 is good enough for another piece. The next one I'll take off at, let's say, 916, 10 points higher. See if we can bust through the US session highs and pop for a few points. There we go. Come on, give me a pop. There we go. Poop. I like that poop. Next one, 922. Sell limit. That'll be 30 some odd points. Yeah, no, I know. And I see that's where Alex also gets the confusion. But I entered off a different, I didn't enter off that analysis. I'm taking everything here off the table. Yeah, there was the analysis of the 15-minute fair value gap and the breakers. So for me to have entered based on that setup, I would have wanted 840. But the charts that me and Alex follow gave me an entry that has nothing to do with that at all. Completely separate system. That one gave me an entry at 889. I think that's what my entry was at. Yeah, that's what happens when you're following multiple systems. Like I have this one also here, the Heiken Ashi, which could, now that we've traded into the bands and I have a green background, I unlock it and I could take a $40 risk trade based on this as well. So yeah, that's also why sometimes I'm confused and not organized. Too many, following too many different systems. Bulenox is coming back, only down 65 now. I think it took another winner. Let's take a look. What is this? Why is it off? I am very confused. I didn't put it back on. No, I didn't. Well, it had a winner over here and it had a winner over here, and I missed them both, and a winner over here, so lucky me. Somehow I turned it off because 10 o'clock was coming, and so I'll be getting an entry at 96. Unfortunately, my entry was poor. I should have waited. Try to get a better fill. Should have fought for price. I used to be better at fighting for price. I don't like that now is when I should be entering. Well, if I add to my trade, it'll give me my proper entry. And this is the size that Al trades on a 150K. He does 10 lot, he does a mini. So it's all good. Reverse the damage done in the 3 to 4 a.m. session. Way to go. I reversed the damage I did on the open. Now I just need Bulenox to reverse some damage for me. I'd like to see Bulenox green again today. That's the counter-strike system. Yeah, I think a 5 lot is good enough. I'm up $500 on the Apex. I want to keep it. It's possible we just trade sideways now. Take a little bit of a break, pause. That wasn't much of a 10-minute reversal. There we go, 541. Sitting tight at the top of the range. You know what I've seen price do very often? Sit tight at the top of the range, initial balance, and then when 1030 comes around, it reverses. And at least trades down into the mid-range, 50%. Slow and steady. You really need to be more patient. Yeah. Well, and I'm not sure if you were here in the morning. I was mentioning that I woke up on the wrong side of bed. Not really, but I slept bad. I'm still sick. It's bothering me. I woke up with a headache and I woke up in a bad mood. Aggravated, actually. Lucky for me. So I was saying to 22 trades there that I'm going to have to trade cautiously. So the fact that I'm up on my Apex account, which is really the only one I'm trading, is good. Bulenox, where's Bulenox? Bulenox is down $65. I'd like to see Bulenox turn green. That would make me happy. And somehow, somehow the bot was turned off again. And it's not somehow, I know how it happens. Whenever I press the close button, Ninja closes your strategies, even if it's on a different account. I don't know. It's kind of unnerving. That's also one of the reasons why I use buy, bid, sell, ask. Because I want to keep my strats applied. Of course. I'm not sure what that means. Is it a fake song? I got it off the YouTube library that they allow you to trade from, that they allow you to play on your streams. Like if you're asking if I made it in AI, sounds like the Eagles ripoff. Yeah, I don't know. I just went through some of the tracks on the YouTube thing and AI sing song. Oh, it's not AI. Like I said, I'm not sure if the songs on the YouTube library are AI or not. There it is again. No tap. Got in on the tap. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what makes a market. I am going to go refresh my coffee with that laugh. Thank you. You know what? Those two comments back to back like that put me back in a good mood. Put a smile on my face. So thank you for that. What just happened? Oh, okay. I was confused. I thought the music stopped. Okay, I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Just going to go refresh my coffee. It's all ready. I don't have to make it. Just got to pour it from the pot. I have returned. That took a little bit longer than 2 minutes, probably. What did I miss? Doesn't look like anything. Initial balance is going to be formed in 20 seconds. My coffee is delicious. Pecan caramel. I was going to say something. I swear to God, I was just reading the chat now and I was saying, hey, okay, guys, break it up. Break it up. Oh, shit. And I missed the trade. Look at that. Get in. I don't even like this trade again either because now we have the fair value, not the fair value gaps. You guys put that in my head. I'm lightening up on this one. Just 2 is enough for me. The initial balance, the first hour's trading range. I've seen so often that it's unable to break. Actually, not that it's unable to break. I think it fakes out traders. And it's exactly this situation here when we're trading at the very close to either the IB high or the IB low. When it forms, it's like everyone's thinking, okay, we're gonna do it this time. We're gonna break through it with strength, but how often I've seen that ends up being pretty much, I won't say the high of the day, but at least the high of for the next little while. I'm gonna get out. I'm not over 600, but getting there. If it does manage to break, I would expect to see another 20-point run. But so far, we just got a wick above. Let's check out the levels again. Refresh my memory. 21,900, we've gotten through it. It's a very strong day today, though. It's a very bullish day. Look at the London session here. It only traded above the Asian session. We didn't tap into both sides. That for me right there was bullish. And the fact that we're over the previous day's high. It's a very strong market. Be wary of the shorts. I'm in at 911. Stop 92, 1 micro. 911's a good price. I missed the long on my top step chart that I'm unable to put up and display and share with you guys, unfortunately. Shit, I haven't taken a top step trade either today. Top step account is at 52,419. Anyways, no point in discussing where it would have entered. Oh, please tell me. Come on. Goddamn, Counter-Strike had another winning trade and I missed it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm not happy. I gotta watch and see why it keeps getting turned off. Added. I never add. Well, the initial balance retest trade is now in play for you guys that watch it. That would be at what price? This thing doesn't mark it. Go big or don't go. In the game of 8-ball, the best players say if you can't see the home, then don't try. Can't see home. Well, there is the potential retest of the initial balance. You really can't take your eyes off the screen for too long. I don't even know what I was doing that I was distracted on that trade and missed it when it went down to the initial balance. I mean, it didn't tap into it, but I usually front run it anyways, just like now. Why does an initial balance indicate the price? Is there no nope, doesn't mark it. Let me try one more time. Open range 930. Price markers. Doesn't put in a price marker. Okay, I'll have to code that in because I like to know what price the initial balance is at. Shouldn't be too difficult to code. I'll have that for Monday. Let me make a note. I like the initial balance trade. I always did. Used to keep stats on it. IB Trace. Marker. I think I even coded that already. Of course. Oh, and arrows. Got a little bit of coding to do this week. Arrows on. There we go. Gave myself my homework for the weekend. My son sent me an image. Maybe that's me with a boo-boo face. Let me see. It's not showing. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, well, then take it off. I'm going back. I'm reading old chats. 10:37, 5 minutes ago. I have a level with no label. Great. 9:30:50, but no idea why it's on the chart. Take it off. Oh, there you go. It's January 22nd. 15-minute breaker. Cam going around all FM highs. Remember, there's always 2218 to go kiss today. That would be so much fun. I think it's 22,080. 18 sounds like 80. 18, 80. We're almost on the same page. Ah, Lord, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. I bet my strategy is turned off again. I'm gonna rage. I swear to God, it's turned off. Let me show you guys. Right there. Those are the strategies that I'm running. See the white one? Counter-Strike Trader. It's off. Okay, either I have Alzheimer's and I keep turning it back on and it turns itself off and it missed another winner. I'm losing my mind. Put it up. Oh, it's off. Doesn't show up here. If I put it back on, boom. Here, missed this winner, 1031. Well, missed the loser over here maybe also, so maybe it evened out. Okay, it's back on again. Let's see what happens. I should put a camera on it and see what's happening. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. Did the 5 minute close above initial balance? It did. And we had a 2 candle close above initial balance. But now we're trading back in it. And the 1 minute just also had a 2 candle close inside initial balance with a bearish fair value gap. I wouldn't go long on that IFVG, on that inversion, because we'd be bumping our heads up against initial balance again. Oh, really? Well, let's break lower. Everyone sees we had a failed auction and we rotated back into initial balance. The sellers are going to come back in. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Target filled. Bulenox is back in business. Can you guys even see that number? Hold on. No, it's not up. Bulenox is green. I got to put it up for you. Let's see if it's there. Can you see Bulenox? Oh, you only see 3. Shit, damn. Okay, no, hold on, hold on. I have a plan. Sim 101 was Counter-Strike in the evening session. And it made $1.60, so a lousy day. But let me reset Sim 101. And by doing that, what's going to happen is the Bulenox account is going to show up because it's next in line. And there we go. You can see it. Bulenox is up. Is green by 2 cents. And you know what? I'm stopping. I'm closing it. It was a horrible day for Bulenox today. A green day is a green day. And guess what? By resetting that account, all my goodbye. All my strategies were taken off. Anyways, I'm happy. I don't even know what I should be doing. Oh, Apex. Apex took a trade. I'm going to just take it for a 3 lot. Let's just see if I can get 7 points out of this. It'll be 40, 50 bucks. I don't know, but honestly, if I'm just trading for little amounts like that, I shouldn't even do it. Yeah, I don't feel like doing it. Anyways, that was some good laughs. Thank you very much. Another good laugh. Oh, my God, my God. You know what? I'm going to take the trade. I'm going to follow it properly. If I can get the price that I want. Right now the risk is high. It's 21 points. I don't want to take that much risk. Now it has fallen. 1 lot. Now the risk was 14 points. And if we go for the all-time highs of today's session, I can pull out 21 points, right? That is all-time highs. Look at that. Very good. Sorry, I've been listening, but getting ready to go to work. We are going to moonshot. Yes, I think so too. It looked like a very strong morning when I came in at 9:15. It really did look like it was going to continue for the rest of the day. I mean, if price is above previous day's high and holding, we don't trade back under it. That's one of the strongest indicators for me that it's going to be a very good day to the upside. Missed my stop by $1. I love it when that happens. Yeah. Okay, I'm long at what price? I am long at 30.50. That's the actual price I should be long at. Watch, there hasn't been a I closed the audio for now, don't worry about it. And I'm not mad, I was disappointed. I'm back. Oh my God, I have a position. Okay, let's take a piece off. How much fun is that to forget you have a position and okay, goodbye. It goes back to break even. Take a piece off, it goes to break even. Should have taken both off. Well, for the fun of it, I'm going to take a trade on a new account that I have. I don't even know how much it is. I think it's a 150K account. No kidding. Okay. Let's get that one going. Oh no, I'm gonna miss it. Changing my charts, it's based on this. I'm getting in late. I was supposed to get in at 9:30. Now I have too many contracts. Terrible execution again. Gonna pay the price for terrible execution because it went beyond the 1-to-1. I'm gonna get out, not because I should get out, but because I'm disorganized on that trade. Again, poor execution. If the entry was here, the stop was there, it went to 1-to-1. I should have had already a piece peeled off. Instead, that was my break even. No, I don't think so. I get out. Remove. Move stop to 28. We can watch it. Look how beautiful that one's going. Missed that completely. That's what happens when you're broadcasting. You have to change the scenes so that the screens change. I can make this chart bigger. I don't show the other chart. I don't show the filter chart. So this is a multi-time frame strategy. It does use another time frame. It's not just trading off the 15-second chart. Background that gets shaded is based on a higher time frame, and if the higher time frame is bullish and then we get a retrace into the bands, the EMA bands, I'll take a long, and the size is determined by this indicator that I got from TradeSaver. It determines your position size based on the risk that you set. 959, about there. Getting there. Got back above initial balance. If I had been paying attention, the 2-bar close above the initial balance, I would have gone long over here, or to pull back into the fair value gap. But I'm distracted and I don't know where to look. Well, that other Apex account and that Bulenox account look pretty pathetic at $1.76 and 2 cents. But I do always say green is better than red. Well, this would be the second trade into the range, so maybe I'll take it. We'll see. Oh, it's not there again. Here, second pullback into the bands. Closed. Wow, excellent. Good job. There you go. I got in. We will mark it. And we will target the 1-for-1 for one lot. Sell limit. I don't know, it just changed. I forgot to click on lock. I'm in lock. Hurry up. I'm going to miss it. Sell ask. That's the 1-to-1. At the 1.5-to-1, I'll sell another one. And at the 2-to-1, a little bit more than 2-to-1. It's a strong day today. But there we go. That's another one out. So like I said, I love this system because it's a great way to get more than 1-to-1. And it's probably about, I don't know, a little bit over 50% accurate, I would say. It's not a 70 or 80% system. But it's a great way to manage your trades. There you go. Got out on the third piece. $67. So that was about breakout time, yeah, maybe. Or maybe we stall out and then we break out at lunchtime. Lunchtime is going to be interesting. Today's probably a day to stay in front of the screen all day. It really looks like it's I think it's just going to be a strong day to the upside. Now we wait. Lunch almost always rebalances the morning session. I might come down for 2:30. Open the screens. I'm thinking that at some point between now and 2:30, yes, exactly, there will be a bit of a pullback or rebalance. And then we'll see strength into the close. I had a video that broke it down like really to the time frame. I lost them. It's too bad. It was actually quite accurate. 11:30 starts lunch. Wow, what a shame. Mike's mic is muted. Yes, I was muted. I didn't even know. And I was talking, I think. Probably not. I was taking trades in my Top Step account. Yeah, my Top Step account. I'm up a big $15, but I'm getting there. 52,435. I'm slowly clawing my way, and it hasn't been a month yet. It's true. I got the rebuild notice. When? This week. 10 days. It said it was 10 days to rebuild, so I'm in the third week. But the initial reaction to that notice was, oh shit, I better start trading it more aggressively so I don't get rebuilt. But then I said, no, I'm not going to do that. They rebuild me. My goal is to get the target, 53,000, and then to get the target again and take money from them. The extra few dollars I'm going to take. Let them have it. They're not going to play mind games with me, send me that thing and make me make mistakes. Been there, done that. I can tell you honestly, so I'm not doing it again. And I've been doing that with all my accounts, actually. My Bulenox account, it's slowly upticking. It's not going, not explosive growth, 51,133. I think it's the second week. So far it's been averaging 500 a week. Let's say it takes 6 weeks to get the target, but that one's with a bot, so that's hands off. I don't know why my Counter-Strike bot was turning on and off. Well, off all the time today, but anyways, they're not gonna suck me into playing that I don't want to get rebuild game and then blow the account. And then you get rebuild and you're starting from 50,000. So rebuild me, I'll start the new building session at 52,500 maybe, and I'll have a small target to go. My target on this is going to be 80 to 100 bucks a day. And if I wasn't distracted, I would have easily hit it. I know the trades that I take on this one. Anyways, doesn't matter. I want to build a portfolio of accounts. MFFU, which is at a new high now, 56.72. Trading that one slowly too. Actually, MFFU, I'm trading in the evening. The 6 o'clock, the 7:30 session. It's been going well. Ish. Well-ish. In the beginning, I was trying to make $60 in that session because I was a little hesitant to trade due to the lack of volatility. But we've had a pretty decent amount of volatility at that period, number one. And number two, I'm more comfortable now in that time period. So now I raised it. I try to make between 100 and 200. Let's be fair. I won't say 150. Anyway, somewhere in that range. I think the day before I made 180. Oh no, 177. I don't remember. I know I had a $200 day. I had maybe one negative 150. Yeah, I'm liking the evening session. Well, I saw my counter just go up, so by 1. So maybe he joined in. If there's anybody new here, please subscribe. It would help the channel, and it would give us an indication that there is someone new here. And for you loyalists that I'm so appreciative of, can you take a second and click the like button? That way I'll have a good weekend. Maybe. Maybe. Well, the volatility, I'll put it up. The volatility on the 1 minute chart. You can see the 1 minute candles has fallen to 9.83 on the average range of the 1 minute candles. So, and I see we have two identically placed gaps. Fair value gaps, a bearish and a bullish. Look at that. Don't see that too often. Oh my God. I think I said the wrong thing. Now it's just you and me, Woodchip. Yeah, I'm not really looking to take trades anymore. I'm sitting here all alone. You can see my partner's gone. Was making a coffee. I love my coffees in the morning. It's my breakfast, believe it or not. But I put those syrups in it all the time. No, you didn't miss much. Volatility is falling. Under 10 is already is pretty low. Average range for the 1 minute candles. If we get under 7, it's like close up. Close the trade. $25 profit on 2 micros. Excellent. It all adds. To be honest, I would have liked to top $1,000 on all my accounts, but I hate trading the money or trading the balance. Whenever I do that, I screw up. So I'm going to leave it. It is where it is. It was an easy day to trade, though. Unfortunately, going on this for a minute, and no problem. It was an easy day to trade today. Unfortunately, I didn't take too much advantage of it. Everything was pointing green. I didn't really have much. I don't think I had anything indicating a short trade. Counter-strike a few times, but counter-strike is extremely short-term oriented. But I have the tracker on just to show me where it would have taken trades, and even Counter-Strike only flashed a sell. Not even a sell. The orange background doesn't mean sell, it just means bearish momentum. You need a bearish candle inside that zone for it to be a sell. So we had bearish momentum indicated over here, but never got a trade. And then over here, there was a trade, and it went to target. But regardless, like I said, it was all green, even for Counter-Strike. Hey, same thing happens here all the time. All the time. I'm watching. Nobody's in the bathroom. Nobody's in the bathroom. Nobody's in the bathroom. An hour passes. 2 hours pass. Nobody even goes in for a Kleenex. We're 5 in the house here. I go to take a shower. Suddenly everybody needs the bathroom. And it isn't once or twice, or it's like all the time. I go, are you kidding me? Did an alarm go off? Hmm. It's the dad prompt. Yeah, everyone needs it. And I won't tell you what they need it for. Oh, you got twins. I got twins too. Alex and David. They're twins. Oh, well. Okay. I should have finished reading. My twins are toilet training. Yeah, my boys are a little bit past that. And they are always need to go when I do. Yeah, but when they're... Okay, yeah. No, I was thinking toilet because when we were toilet training our boys, we had this little potty, like a plastic Fisher-Price kind of toy potty that they would, that they were learning on. But yeah, of course, eventually you graduate to the real potty. You know that Tom Petty song, It's Good to Be Flat? I'm not a big Tom Petty fan, unfortunately. I don't know, there was something about his voice that irritated me. At that time, I was more into Bruce Springsteen, actually. Did I just screw myself on a bad timing trade? Huh. No. Shit, damn, I didn't want to see you write that. Because I am in a short trade. That I'm not happy with also, by the way. And I'm just trying to bail myself out of it. Let's get one pop lower. Come on, don't keep buying it up every time it pops lower. Well, today was a day marked with poor execution. That's all I can say. So 31 full long with 25 point stop. I've noticed that I chased today. I've been distracted with the stream. I'm distracted with I don't know what other things, and my strategies turning on and off. For whatever reason, I kept missing the entries, getting in late, which I shouldn't do because the whole risk return profile is different at that point. I got out. Took a little damage to my second Apex account there. I don't know what I was at. I don't remember. But now I'm up 73. Could have been worse though. Oh, 7 stop. It came a little close to that. Ah, look at the bounce right off initial balance high. Let's put the whole initial balance in. So yeah, your long is now more interesting to me. I might just join you. If I can find a way. How about an inversion of this bearish fair value gap? 10 seconds. I'll change my account to no, didn't close above it. I'll get in a little early and assume we are going to close above it. But if we get a close inside the initial balance, I'm going to bail. If we can get a close above the previous candle's high, which I think we did on this candle over here. So that's pretty bullish. I'll add another one. But I could be in a danger zone. Yeah, this could be an aggressive candle to the downside. If they decide they want to go back into the initial balance. 7, 6, they're fighting to bring it back up. Yeah, they managed to close on the right side for our long trade. Don't go back. Okay. I'm not going to play around. It doesn't want to go. Doesn't want to go. Okay, back again, a little bit more money. And actually, if we get 2 closes inside the initial balance, I might consider a short. But it looks like they're going to try and push it back over it. Nope. Not going to succeed. This one closes inside. This will probably be my last trade. And I'm thinking we're going to see some Selling come into the market now. So I want to have it a little bit more aggressive. It's got to close inside though. Not back on the other side. See, I should wait. Again, learning the lesson. Get in early. You pay the price. No, now my short's not looking good. Bring it back in. Let's trade back to 21,910. This is going to be 2 closes above. And that for me is a long signal. I have one hope, and that's on the Heiken SE chart for a bearish candle, which I can add to my trade, and hopefully that'll push us lower, and it'll give me an area for a good tight stop. But it's pretty much got to happen now, and it's a low probability scenario. There we go. That might have just been my opportunity to get out with little damage. And it changed. Okay, I'm out. Pissed me again. Neener. Yeah, and I think that's it. It's quitting time. It's 11:36. So, to all who's in the channel, thanks for showing up. I appreciate it. And I will be back on Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, trading the open. Bye, guys.